FluoRender tutorials. Grow selection. The latest FluoRender release introduced the Grow Selection tool. In this video, we demonstrate how to select branching structures using the Grow tool. To get started, try the provided example files first. Go to the FluoRender installation folder. On Windows, it's in the Program Files folder, and then FluoRender Data. On Macs, it's in the Applications. Right-click FluoRender and show Packaged Contents. Open the file branches.tif. This example file contains an artificial structure with 3 branches. Open the paintbrush window and choose the Grow tool. Move the mouse cursor to the start of the structure. Click and hold. A selection mask grows from the clicked point and selects all branches. Use the growth strength property to control the size of increment. Select weak for finer increment size and slower grow speed. Select strong for coarser increment and faster grow speed. Next, we use the weak growth strength to better demonstrate the grow selection process. We can compute the size of the selection as it grows. Enable Auto Update and select the branches with the Grow tool. We see that the size information is updated as the selection grows. In the second part, we demonstrate the Grow tool with another example dataset. It's the zf_ch02.tif file containing some neural structures. Open the paintbrush window and choose the Grow tool. Click on the fiber structure in the middle and hold the mouse button. Connected structures are all selected. Sometimes the growth may stop because of low signals or gaps on a fiber. Adjust the settings, such as Edge Detect, to allow growth to continue. Notice that you can also use the mid and right mouse buttons to interact with the view. We demonstrate the Grow tool on a large data set in the third part. It contains nerves in a mouse limb. We adjust the volume properties to make the nerves more obvious. We'd like to select one branch and all connected sub-branches. Zoom in and choose the Grow tool in the paintbrush window. When we click on a branch, the grow speed is very slow. This is because the entire data set has to be computed for growth. To enhance interactivity, we can divide a large data set into bricks and skip bricks that the selection mask doesn't reach. In the settings, reduce the large data size to 0 to divide all data sets. Restart FluoRender and reload this data set of Muslim nerves. The XY plane of the data will be divided into 256 by 256 bricks. The grow selection is only computed within bricks that the selection mask reaches. We designed the data streaming to be transparent without noticeable differences. Now choose the Grow tool and click on a point of the nerve branch. Notice that the grow speed is significantly increased. When we click in the middle of the nerve and only want the growth to proceed in one direction, click and immediately drag the mouse to the intended direction. This allows finer control of the grow selection. For a large structure, release the mouse button and pan the view. Click and hold again to continue the growth. Notice that for subsequent growth, it's sufficient to click on an empty area and drag to only guide the directions. Select only the desired sub-branches using this method. Pan the view to examine other sub-branches of different directions. Use the mouse to direct the growth. For low intensities or gaps, adjust the volume properties and proceed with selection. In conclusion, the Grow tool provides a novel method for selecting branching structures. It supports large data through the data streaming mechanism in FluoRender.